What's going on, everybody? My favorite reviewer, SabKyle04, does a series of videos called Starting Up the Personal Cars. And since it just started getting cold outside, I thought I'd kind of do a trivia video, or my own version of Start Up the Personal Cars. So we've already put the Mustang away, so I won't be able to be doing that, but I will be doing videos of that this winter. I'll take the cover off of it and start it up every month or so, maybe even every 2 weeks. That's what I did last year. So anyway, so these are the two winter cars that I'll be starting up today, the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon and the 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. And we'll just start up both and, get an exhaust clip and, turn the steering wheel around and do the gears, all that stuff. So first will be the 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. Silver exterior with a black leather interior. Navigation. Wood look inserts in the dash. Very comfortable seating also. $18,068 miles. Wow. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shiftability down below via the buttons on the shift handle. Night mode. Very cool. And I'll just go ahead and turn off the automatic headlamps just for the demonstration purpose of the engine. And go ahead and pop the engine cover. The Tahoe has a 5.4 liter Vortec V8. Puts out about 300 horsepower, about 315 horsepower, sorry. I think about 290 to 300 pounds-foot of torque. Now in the some GMC Yukons and all the Cadillac Escalades, you get a 6.2 liter Vortec V8 with about 400 horsepower. Very cool. We'll go ahead and shut her down. And now for the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. And for all of you wondering, this exterior color is known as Gecko Pearl Coat, with a full black cloth interior. This car only has 7,026 miles on it. It also has navigation. It's a very soft and easy to steer leather-wrapped steering wheel, very smooth, with the Jeep logo front and center. This car also comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission, manual shiftability down below. Check out the engine. All the 2012 model year and newer Jeep Wranglers come with the new 3.6 liter Pentastar V6. Produces 285 horsepower and 260 pounds-foot of torque. This is a huge improvement over the old engine, which was a 3.8-liter V6 out of the Chrysler Town & Country, which only produced 202 horsepower and 165 pounds-foot of torque. Zero to 60 time is an estimated 6.8 seconds. Huge improvement over the old Jeep's about 11 seconds. We'll go ahead and shut it down. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the short tours of both these cars and the startups. I'll be bringing more updates and starting up the Mustang this winter. So stay tuned and subscribe, and more car reviews also coming. So take care, everybody.